Today on Engineering Fails Fixes in 30 Seconds, the snoring staircase that mumbled a step hums loudly but never reaches the top. A miscalibrated tread creaks in rhythm, turning a climb into a playful slapstick moment for puzzled visitors. A quick screw tweak and a soft limiter quiet the chorus, letting steps land gently and keeping the vibe light. The crowd laughs, the designer smiles, and a bright sign warns about the final step for everyone nearby. How would you fix it to keep the whimsy while ensuring a safe, smooth ascent for all?